advocacy and systemic change is the end game.
The leadership and advocacy class, parents can learn the tools, how they can advocate not only for their children in their local schools, also in LAUSD, in the district, and at the state level.
And a very good example of that is when the pandemic struck and we went to virtual learning. And some of our kids were going to Taco Bells and sitting in the parking lots at 10 o'clock at night and doing their homework on the phones.
In Watts, there was a housing project that didn't have any coverage. A family that had resources could not buy access to broadband. Ultimately, what we wanted to do is replace hotspots, which is what was being distributed to families, with broadband. And we entered into a contract with Spectrum whereby we became a provider for broadband to our families. And after a lot of collaboration, the district launched a program in that model whereby they made broadband available through their own efforts to over 100,000 families who did not otherwise have access.
One of the things that the partnership can point to, and I can point to as a source of tremendous pride, is what we have been able to accomplish in 15 years.